They not like us.
3 generations of baddies.
No.
Today, we going back to LA because my niece's champagne party is today. They did not used to have a City Trends out here. Her nails, y'all. Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc and I am back with another video. And in this video I applied these really cute handmade nails from Temu. But before we get into the nails, I'm gonna take y'all to LA with me. I had to go out there and do my niece a bomb gel X set for prom. So let's go.
What's up, everybody?
What's up?
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
3 generations of baddies.
No.
Because my niece's champagne party is today, so we're going to see her off to prom. So let's go, y'all. So for those of you that don't know, I am from Los Angeles, California. I moved about an hour and a half away from LA, so it's always good to go back and visit my family and friends. So this is the farm located in Inglewood, California. A lot of my childhood was in Inglewood in the Crenshaw district, so anytime I'm in LA, I'm always over there. I had to stop by Snoop Dogg's store because I had never been in there. It's pretty new, so I had to stop in because Snoop is my favorite rapper. And his store is so cool. You can buy all kinds of Snoop Dogg and Death Row merch, from t-shirts and jackets to shoes and so many other things. Just take a look at how cool all this stuff is. So after we left the Snoop store, I was hungry, so we went to Kingfish Market on 109th and Crenshaw, and that is some of the best fish in LA. If you from LA, do not argue with me. This is definitely one of the best hood fish markets. They did not used to have a City Trends out here, so I had to pull up to City Trends to see what they got in here because this was not here. They did not have this. Hello.
How you doing today?
Good, and you? This girl done picked up everything Afro Unicorn. And these slides were so childish, but they were so cute, so I got them for myself. And they also had the nails in City Trends. I was like, okay, City Trends. I didn't buy none because I already got way too many nails, but I was like, okay. So after we left City Trends, we went to go visit family. We went to visit my mom's sister, which is one of my favorite aunties, and her daughter, which is my cousin. And let me just say, them genes in our family is so strong. Everybody look alike. Like, we all look different, but we all look so much alike. And then we made it to my niece's prom send-off. As of 2024, you look so beautiful. And her nails, y'all. I definitely did that with the nails, but I couldn't record it because we was so pressed for time and it was a lot going on. Yes, you look so beautiful. Give me a spin. Give me a twirl. Yes, ma'am. Look at the purse, okay? Money bag. Cause you looking like $1 million, girl. Yeah, I didn't even get you with the purse. Say what? $1 million, yes. It's always good to visit home and see my family and friends. I'm glad we got to send my niece off to prom, and then we headed back home afterwards. Now let's get into these Temu handmade nails. So this is actually my first time applying the Temu handmade nails. And shout out to Temu for sponsoring this portion of the video and sponsoring these nails. So I got these nails from Temu about 2 weeks ago. So if you missed my Temu haul, it is in the weekly vlog from 2 weeks ago. And you guys can see everything that I got from Temu. And these nails were a part of that haul. And I was like, OMG, I cannot wait to apply these because these are so cute. And what I'm doing right now is just making sure all the nails fit my fingers, because when you order the handmade nails on Temu, they only come with 10 nails and you have to pick your nail size. I picked a size large, so it doesn't go by length, it goes by the actual size of your nail beds. So I got a size large and they fit all my fingers perfectly. So after I checked the nail sizes to make sure that they fit my fingers good, I just went in and started my nail prep. My nails had grew out a little long, so I just got a nail clipper and clipped them down short. And this is how my nails look after I clipped them down. I don't clip them down like to a nub. I just want them to be short. So next I used the nail file that came with the press-on nails. And I am just gently shaving down that shiny layer from the top of my natural nails. If you are new to my channel, this is a very important step when you are applying press-on nails of any kind. You always want to start with a roughened surface, because if you don't remove that oil from your nail bed, your press-on nails are not going to last long. So you always want to roughen up the surface just to remove any like shine or oils from your nail beds. And this is what your nails will look like after you have done that. And to remove that debris, all I'm going to do is further dehydrate my nails by spraying them down with some alcohol and acetone mixture. So half of the bottle is alcohol and the other half of the bottle is acetone. And I use that as a nail dehydrator, and it really does dehydrate my nails really good. I'm not completely against, nail dehydrators. I just feel like this is just as effective and it costs less. And of course, I'm gonna put y'all up on anything that's gonna save y'all some coins on my channel. So if you don't want to purchase a nail dehydrator, just mix you some alcohol and acetone together and it's gonna do what it need to do. And I am applying these nails with regular brush-on nail glue. I don't think the nail glue that I'm using is available on Temu anymore, but I will link one that is just as good in the description of this video. And also the nails and everything used to apply these nails will be linked in the description of this video. Also, if you are new to Temu and you have not downloaded the app yet, there will also be a link for you to click and download the Temu app. And you can use my referral code FAVE23582 to get a $100 coupon bundle to save on your order. So don't forget to check the description box. So as you guys can see, I'm not really brushing on the nail glue. I'm just dabbing it onto my finger because I want to create a nice bubble of glue. If you don't apply enough glue, your nails are not going to stick and last long. And I am going to line that press-on nail up with my cuticle area. Press in the cuticle first and then press the nail down onto the rest of your fingernail. And you want to press your nail down for about 30 seconds. Also, make sure you squeeze and press against your side walls so that you have full coverage over your natural nail. And if you have any spillage of glue, it's okay. All you have to do is take an alcohol prep pad or put some alcohol on a cotton ball and clean up the excess glue. It's better to have too much glue than too less glue, because if you apply too less, your nails are definitely not going to last long and they're going to start popping off. So make sure you are applying enough glue. And as you guys can see, I did apply the nails onto my right hand first. And while I am finishing the last two nails on this hand, I just want to say we are 20 subscribers away from 2K. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers. So a shout out to everybody in the Choc Nation that has subscribed to my channel, my new subscribers, even my subscribers that have been with me from the beginning. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you all. My channel is growing and I'm just so excited and happy, and my channel wouldn't even be where it's at if you guys hadn't subscribed to it and, you know, like my videos and comment on my videos. That really puts me in the algorithm so I can get noticed. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers, and I am going to definitely do a giveaway when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So y'all tell a friend, tell your family, anybody, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. They are going to love it here. And if you are watching this video right now and you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Choc Nation. You are going to love it here, boo. You already done made it this far in the video, so that means you liking what you see. So go ahead and subscribe for me. But let's jump back into the tutorial. So all I'm doing right now is just filing off that extra piece that's on the tips of the nails and just really making my nail tips nice and crisp and straight. And by the way, these are a coffin shape, so I'm just really, you know, making that coffin nice and strong. Now I am right-handed and I cannot file with my left hand for the life of me. My left hand just, it don't work like that. So as you can see, I am just using my right hand to move my fingernail against the file. So that is a tip when you are working with your non-dominant hand. If you can't use your non-dominant hand to file like me, just use your dominant hand and rub the nails up against the file. Hey, it works. As y'all can see, the shape came out good. And the last thing that we need to do is apply some cuticle oil. I also got this cuticle oil from Temu, and it will also be linked in the description of this video. I do not condone crusty cuticles on this channel, so after every set, you better believe I am applying me some cuticle oil around my cuticles and rubbing it in to make sure my cuticles are nice and moisturized, because we cannot be having a fresh set with some crusty cuticles. And this cuticle oil is really good. It definitely brings shine and moisture to my cuticles. And the set is done, y'all. The set is done. These nails are so good. The regular press-on nails from Temu are good, but these handmade nails are even better. They cost a little bit more, maybe a couple dollars more than what you would spend on a regular nail set, because they are handmade, and I do believe they are acrylic, because that is exactly how they feel. And I'm doing the glue test right here just to make sure, you know, my nails are in place and they ain't going nowhere. And as y'all can see, they are definitely secure. That glue is really good. I use it on almost all my nail sets that I've applied on my channel. And I am not one to keep my nails on for more than a few days, because I always like to switch my nails out. And of course, I got to keep kicking out that content for you guys. But trust and believe, if you apply enough of that brush on nail glue, your nails are gonna last at least 2 weeks. I got so many compliments on these nails just from random people that, I may be passing by. Oh my goodness, your nails are so pretty. Who did them? And I'll be like, girl, you better get on Temu and get you some nails. So I'm always putting everybody on Temu. And they don't even be believing me. They be like, you did not put those on yourself. Those are not press-ons. Which that's what I want to give every time I put a set on. I don't even want nobody to believe that they are press-ons. And these nails are definitely not giving press-on. They are definitely giving nail shop, which is what we want to give every single time. And by the way, this knitted bucket hat is also from Temu. I also got it in the same haul that I got these nails in, and I will also link it in the description of this video. Do me a favor and like this video for me. Also drop a comment and let me know how you guys felt about this week's vlog, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.